Welcome to the Hour of Code in TUSD Unified. In this video, you will learn how to code using the app Save the Animals. Click on the icon you see on the screen. The goal of this app is to save endangered animals. Once you save an animal, you can find them in your nature reserve. By tapping on the nature reserve, you can find all the animals that you have saved. You can save rainforest animals or animals that live in the savanna. Tap the back arrow to return to the home screen. Now let's tap play to learn how to play this game. You can pick which scene you would like to start with, the rainforest or the savanna. I've chosen the rainforest. You can see there are many different levels for each animal you need to save. You can see I've already completed some levels, but I'm going to tap level 1 to start in the beginning with you. On the first level of the tamarin, it says, "Welcome to Save the Animals. Help the gold lion tamarin move to the checkpoint." They're talking about the flag. You can drag the command into the queue or just tap it for quick input. I'll show you how to do this. Then you're going to press go and the animal will execute the commands or the code. The tamarin must stop at the checkpoint and go no further. Passing the checkpoint won't count. All right, let's try it. You can see that there are little marks on the grass. This helps you determine how many commands you need to get the tamarin to move to the checkpoint. I'm going to use 3. When you run your code or your commands, you will see that there are some controls at the top of the screen. You can tap play after the code is finished to play it again, or fast forward if you want to skip ahead to see if your code worked. Tap the edit or the refresh button to go back and change your code if the animal didn't make it to the checkpoint. Tap pause while the code is running and play to continue. All right, let's do this. Perfect. It worked. Congratulations. 3 commands or blocks of code is what we needed. Let's move on to level 2. Here's a new command, jump. Use it to jump over the crate and get to the next checkpoint. I'm going to add my first block of code or command to the main area by tapping on it. The next one I'm going to drag into the main area. Now let's tap go to run the code or commands. It looks like we need one more block of code, so tap the edit button at the top and let's add one more block of code. Let's add one more move forward. Now tap go to run the code. We jump over the box and we make it to the checkpoint. Congratulations! We're moving on to the next level. Tap anywhere to continue. In this level, we will need to use the jump command to get across gaps. Okay, so let's add a walk forward command, then a jump command to go across the gap, and then another walk forward to get to the checkpoint. We tap go to run the code, and we make it to the checkpoint. Congratulations! Let's move to the next level. Tap anywhere to continue. In this level, we will now add a new command, run. Use it to run 2 spaces in one move, twice as far as walk. If you input run before a jump, you will jump twice as far. Use a running jump to clear this very large gap. Remember that you need 2 spaces in front of the animal to make a run. Okay, let's try this. We're going to start with a run command, which will take 2 spaces. Then I don't know how I got that in there. I need to get rid of a command. I'm just going to drag it out. So I'm going to go run for 2 spaces, a jump, and then a walk forward, and go. All right, perfect. We did it. Remember, the run takes 2 spaces to get a running jump. Tap anywhere to continue. The run command is overloaded. That means that it can do more than one thing. Use run when the animal is right next to a crate to push it 1 space. So we will need to push the crate over the ledge to get to the next checkpoint. Let's try it. I'm going to add the run command. I'm going to test it. Sure enough, it pushes the crate right into the gap. Okay, click the edit at the top so we can add more code. So I have the run command, now a jump command, and I'm going to add a walk forward command and another walk forward command. Notice a new line appears to add more code if we need it. All right, let's see when we test our code. We didn't quite make it, so we need to add one more block of code, another walk forward, we run our code, and we make it to the checkpoint. Congratulations! Tap anywhere to continue. Oh, it looks like we can win an award if we use 5 commands or fewer. Then we will get the star. The golden lion tamarin is an endangered species that lives in a small bit of rainforest in Brazil. You'll get stars for reaching checkpoints using as few commands as possible. Alright, this next level has a turn command, and you use it to change directions. So you can see I'm going to add a turn command to the first part of my code. Then I will add a walk to the left command now that I've turned directions. You can see little arrows above your commands to show you which direction the tamarin is going to move. I'm going to keep coding, but I'm going to let you take it from here on your own. I think you have a great start on saving the animals. All right, coders, good luck and enjoy the hour of code.